air compressor for 2015 to 2019 Cascadia Freightliner Detroit air compressor. It's already removed. We had the fittings removed from the old compressor. Now we are installing the back fittings. Then we're gonna install this on this baby right here. Detroit 15. It's underneath right here. It was very hard. We removed the tire, but got few hoses. We removed the coolant lines and everything. And after this, we're gonna also do injector seals on this. You can see it's really messy, but that's another video, another job. Currently we're working on this. Thank you for watching, guys. Beautiful day, beautiful, lovely.